So we're on the third tee here at Moor Allerton Golf Club with the hand mower. In the shed we've done the pre-start checks. Fuel, make sure that's filled up. Tyre pressure so we can get round. Greased it up, make sure that everything's greased up before you go out. And then make sure it's uncut, one of the main things. Oil got done the other day, so we don't need to check that. So, one of the problems we are having with the hand mowers, which we have tried a few things, but I'm happy to listen to every single person who comments to see how we can fix this roller. So the roller's fine, but in winter you come across worm casts a lot. There's loads on the tee right now, and it gathers on the roller, which raises the height of cuts, and then when you're done, it's not actually cut at the height that you've set it at. So most of the times in winter, like we do, even though we've got 27 holes to cut, and there's about 2 or 3 tees nearly every single hole, is to clean them off, and then you just go again. So you're double cutting basically. So as you can see, I've cut 2 tees since before coming here, and it's built up with worm cast, all the dirt. So that's raised the height. I've not cut this yet, but I am going to clean it off with my gloves. Just get it back to normal. Do a cut on this tee. If it looks like it needs it, or I haven't picked up too much worm casts, we'll leave it. But if it needs it, I'm going to have to just cut it again. You know, you just go off eye, really. If anyone's got anything in the comments, let me know. A few things we have tried is a wire stuck to here, across the top, so it's flush against the cylinder. And that didn't seem to work. It seems like we have to do either some welding or something. Other thing you can do is buy a bar that goes across here, attaches, and leave fingers down every cylinder gap. And that didn't seem to work. It was, if anything, it was clogging up more and leaving more dirt. So let me know in the comments if you can help us. Cheers.
So, I just want to quickly say, we don't normally use hand mowers through the summer. It's more of a rare occasion, it's a winter thing. And it's mainly down to getting to the places to cut them. So we cut tees and approaches with hand mowers in winter, because we can get there with them with a hand mower. It's just a big, long job, but yeah, it does look really good at the end.
Alright, so the tee is cut. I'm aiming it that way instead of straight up and down, because the actual hole is a dog leg, and so it goes down and then it turns left and up to the green behind all them trees. So I like to aim it where you're playing it as a golfer. That's my preference anyway. Yeah, this is the problem. So I've cut all of that, and look at the build up. I mean, look at it. That's what it should be like. Yeah, so we're having problems with that, but this is not a bad one actually. It's only added about, what do we think there, maybe a couple of mil. So sometimes it's worse, and then we'll do it again, but I'm happy with that tee. Looks nice, lines are somewhat straight, and ready for golfers. Markers are back on.
Here we are, 17 hole. It's our signature hole, par 3. We've not cut tees for a few weeks due to weather conditions. Storm Dara give us a good seeing to. Yeah, can't see the worm casts until you really look down, but we've tried switching them before, cutting, and it just made no difference, still builds up. We've got 2 hand mowers, so it takes 2 guys to do a full course in about 1.5 to 2 days to hand cut them all. We've got 27 holes, remember. And we only are hand cut in winter because we have got a hilly course, so getting machinery there, ride-ons, is just near impossible, and to most places. You know, doing this sort of job, or hand cutting greens like I did the other day, nearly 7 hours of walking. It's about 30,000 steps, and that makes it impractical for us to do it all year round and just use ride-ons through summer. Look at Zachy boy, mucky. Been blowing out bunkers and out leaves back end of today, ready for us to get them sorted for tomorrow after Storm Dara washed them all in. Shampoo it is.